Hello everyone. Let's see what we bought at the Hobby Lobby today. Squish Bunny. Hello Kitty and Friends erasers. Hello Kitty and Friends over 1,500 stickers inside. Wow, look at this. Hello Kitty and Friends send art. What do we have? Sparkling journal set of Barbie. Wow, more and more. Looks like a real Oreo, but this is a lip balm. Lip balm. Look at this. Over 1,000 sticker book here inside. All the stickers are inside here. Look at this. Hershey. Oh, look at this. All the lip balms here. Different types of lip balm. Hershey. Looks delicious. Oh, what do we have here? Another Hello Kitty and Friends. Wow, look at this. Look at the set here. Wow, isn't it great? Here, another sparkling charms of Hello Kitty and Friends here. So many items are keep coming. Maybe this is a journal book, like, isn't it cute? Oh, the smiling here. Okay, what do we have finally here? The final item is here. Oh, this one looks cute, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, these are the items that we bought at Hobby Lobby. Yeah!